What if I told you Google is literally giving you a free AI tool that can help you make money starting today? Here's how to use Google Gemini to actually generate income, even if you're a complete beginner. Google Gemini is an advanced AI that can write, research, brainstorm, and automate tasks faster than most people. The key isn't just using it, it's using it strategically. One of the easiest ways to start is with freelance services. You can use Gemini to create blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content for clients. Just give it a clear prompt, refine the result, and deliver polished work in minutes. Another method is creating digital products. You can ask Gemini to generate ebooks, guides, or even course outlines. For example, a beginner fitness guide or a simple budgeting ebook. Package it and sell it online. You can also use Gemini for YouTube automation. It can generate video ideas, full scripts, titles, and descriptions. Pair that with stock footage or simple edits, and you can run a channel without showing your face. Affiliate marketing is another strong option. Use Gemini to write blog posts or product reviews, then include affiliate links. When people make purchases through your content, you earn a commission. And once you get good at prompting, you can even sell your prompts. Businesses are willing to pay for high-quality prompts that save them time and increase results.